Got a video with too much sun glare? Here's a quick way to reduce it using CapCut. First, open CapCut and click Create Project. Next, click Import in the top left corner, then select your video. Once your video is imported, drag it down to the timeline and click the clip to select it. Next, go to the Adjust tab in the top right panel and make sure you're on the Adjust section. Scroll down to the light settings. Start by dragging exposure slightly to the left to darken the overall video. Next, lower the highlights to reduce the brightness area and sun glare. You can also lower the whites to tone down any intense white spots. And if the video looks a little flat, slightly increase the contrast or bring back some depth. You can also increase saturation if the color looks washed out. Finally, play to preview the result and adjust the settings as needed. And that's it. You reduce the sun glare from your video using CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.